Imagine a robot that not only vacuums and mops, but also compresses dust, so you empty it less often. No more worrying about daily sweeping, mopping, or dealing with messy dustbins. Sounds impressive, right? That's exactly what the iRobot Roomba 205 DustCompactor Combo Robot delivers. With its powerful suction, smart navigation, and innovative dust compacting system, it keeps your floors spotless and maintenance effortless, giving you more time to enjoy a cleaner, fresher home. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Roomba 205 DustCompactor Combo Robot. Charging dock. Power code, extra filter, extra side brush, and reusable mopping pad. Want to grab the iRobot Roomba 205 DustCompactor? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? Ditch the dock with onboard compacting. The Roomba 205 DustCompactor Combo Robot captures and compresses debris right on board for up to 60 days, eliminating the need for a self-emptying dock. This smart design saves space, reduces hassle, and keeps your floors cleaner with less effort. Find, reach, and eliminate messes with the combined power of intense suction, a multi-surface bristle brush, and edge sweeping brush to devour dirt and dust bunnies, plus a microfiber mop pad to leave floors shiny and clean. The Roomba 205 delivers 70x more powerlifting suction and 2x deeper scrubbing, making it tough on dirt, dust, and pet hair. It devours messes on both carpets and hard floors, ensuring hassle-free cleaning with a spotless finish every time. Clear view. LiDAR quickly maps your home, avoids obstacles, and cleans in neat rows, even in the dark, for smart mapping and navigation. It learns your space with precision, allowing for customized and more efficient cleaning every time. The Roomba 205 is smart enough to know the difference between hard floors and carpets while mopping. It automatically detects and avoids carpets so your rugs stay dry while mopping, ensuring only the right surfaces get clean. With the iRobot Home app, you can schedule cleanings that fit perfectly into your routine. Whether it's daily, weekly, or while you're away, the Roomba 205 automatically gets the job done. You can easily manage the Roomba 205 with simple on-device controls, the Roomba Home app, or through voice commands. This flexibility makes starting or scheduling a clean effortless, no matter where you are. Specifications. How to use. Unbox your Roomba 205 and get it ready in minutes. Simply attach the side brush if it's not already in place, secure the reusable mop pad when you want to mop, and fill the water tank with clean water or solution. With everything set, place your robot on the dock for its first charge and let powerful cleaning with onboard dust compacting begin. Place the compact charging dock on a flat surface against a wall, leaving space on each side so the robot can dock easily. Plug in the power cord to supply power, and once the light indicator turns on, your charging station is ready for use. Start an initial mapping run and let your Roomba 205 scan and save your home layout. With advanced LiDAR technology, it builds a precise map for smarter, more efficient cleaning while seamlessly avoiding obstacles. Once the map is ready, you can personalize it with room labels, no-go zones, and custom cleaning areas for complete control. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the Roomba Home. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press and hold the power button on top of the Roomba 205 until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the app and log into your Roomba account. Then select Add a Robot and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, press and hold the Wi-Fi or Home button on your Roomba until you hear a tone or see the Wi-Fi light blink, indicating it is ready to pair. The app will automatically detect your robot, finish the setup, and connect it to your network. Afterward, you can start, stop, schedule cleanings, customize maps, and check maintenance alerts directly from your phone. Maintenance. Remove and rinse the water tank thoroughly to keep it fresh, making sure there is no dirt or residue left inside before reinstalling. Wash the reusable mop pad after each use and let it dry completely before putting it back. For best performance, also wipe the robot's sensors, charging contacts, and camera with a soft, dry cloth to maintain accurate navigation and efficient charging. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your iRobot Roomba 205 Dust Compactor. See you in the next one.